Alright, what's going on? So today, we're working on this Castnoo. It is the Castnoo 800 watt. Supposed to be equivalent to an 800 high pressure sodium with the new F-Star LED lights. Things are bright, but I am upgrading it. I am doing a little hack to it and a little upgrade, you know. Found these online. Come in very handy. So let me go get the power outlet real quick, and then we'll get it cranked on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the wire in now, and this sparker up. Oh, it's way brighter now. So let me go get my glasses. Look, it's in pulling out a lot of heat. Let me get my, see if we can see this clear. Yeah. So this bad boy is super duper bright. So let me turn it back off. Let's see where the switch is at. Yeah. So what I've been doing is disconnect it real quick because I do need a flat surface. That one wasn't on yet, but I have all these on. I'll grab that one real quick. I also, they don't come with a fan, so I integrated my own fan in here, so there's a fan inside because they do get a bit warm. Just to let you guys know, it doesn't come with a fan. It is much brighter, so I found this online real quick, 50 piece. I put one on, saw it was really bright, so we'll keep going to it. This is pretty much just adding them anywhere. So the only ones I'm not gonna add are to the blue ones, because this is my flower light, so I'm not really concerned with the blue ones. I did get 2 blue ones and both the white ones. I'm gonna just put that one there. There it goes. I am using crazy glue because I don't expect to take these off ever again. And the crazy glue works wonders. Nice and thin, not too strong. Not too strong on smell. It's thin, dries up quick, and it does the job. Let's continue on. First I had a pattern, now I'm just putting them on however, but everything's been working real great. I'll throw it in and we'll get my little Amazon light meter that I got. It's that soil tester light meter. That thing actually works really good. If I can get to skip every single one. Another thing, let me try to get this closer to you guys. Try to center them out as best possible. If you don't center them out, they'll come out like that. You won't really be able to see it that great. So just try to center them out. That's just the update. Turn this on for you one more time so you guys can see it. Let me know in the comments below if you notice if it makes a difference or not. That's it right there. Yeah, they actually do reflect much brighter than what they did before. Castnoo 800 watt, really making that bitch reflect way harder. Thanks for watching.